Hello, I will try to explain how to use Firebase with Android Studio. In this first video, we will be creating a new Android project and add it to a new Firebase project. So, let's get started. First, we will create a new project. Select File, New Project. Here, we will opt No Activity. Click on Next. Make sure language is Java and Groovy DSL for Gradle. Before clicking Finish, we need to name our application. Let us name it Firebase Demo. We will let package name remain as it is. Now click on Finish. Now, we will create our first activity. Open App. Java. New Activity. Empty Views Activity. We will let the name remain Main Activity. We will make it Launcher Activity. Click on Finish. Now open a browser. I have opened Firefox here. Type Firebase Console. Select Firebase Console, Google. Click on Add Project. Now, we need to enter our project name here. We will name it Firebase Demo. Click on Continue. We will disable Analytics, or else we will let it remain as it is. Click on Continue. Select Default Account and click on Create Project. We can register our Android app here itself. We can also do it in Settings. Select Project Settings. And under your apps, select Android app. Go back to Android Studio and copy the package name. We will nickname our app here. Now, we need to enter SHF1. It is optional at this stage, but we will enter it now itself. So in our Android project, from Tools Windows bar, select Gradle. If you cannot see this many options, then go to Project Settings, Experimental, and make sure Configure all Gradle tasks is selected. Now reload Gradle project. Now select Tasks, Android, double-click on Signing Reports. Copy SHF1 and paste it inside Firebase App Registration. Click on Register App. Now, download Google-services.json file. We will copy this file and paste it inside our project. Now, change the view from Android to Project. And we will paste the JSON file under App Directory. Now, go back to Firebase Console. Select Groovy. Copy this line of code. Inside our Android project, open build.gradle. Now paste this line here and click on Sync Now. Now go back to Firebase Console. Now copy gms.Google-services plugin. Open build.gradle, module, pep. Paste the plugin here and click on Sync Now. Now copy the dependency. Firebase BOM, which means Bill of Materials. If we include this dependency, then there is no need to specify version numbers of individual Firebase dependencies as it BOM will manage those. Click on Sync Now. Now we will check if we are getting other Firebase dependencies or not. There is no need to use version numbers for other Firebase dependencies as we have included BOM. So, we have created a new Android project and registered it with Firebase project.